Adventum acquired Centrum Orląt as first of our property in Wrocław in May 2020. Right from day one, our strategy was focused on an environment-conscious refurbishment program and on attracting new tenants.
The renovation process was commenced in 2021 and it was completed in July 2022, right 2 years after the acquisition of the asset. During the renovation, Adventum spent 10 million euros on the revitalization of the facade, modernization of the M&A system, and to create modern and aesthetic common areas.
The scope of work was very extensive, including facade, common areas, and fit-out of tenant spaces. Delivering the area of 20,000 square meters included also construction of 3 terraces. Seeing how this building changed in our hands was particularly very satisfying.
The first lease agreement was signed in August 2021, and Pixelant was the earliest bird to make their move. They have since settled into their brand new office on the 10th floor, and several other tenants have followed them.
Jesteśmy tutaj mniej więcej od roku i zdecydowaliśmy się na to, żeby być w tym miejscu przede wszystkim przez lokalizację, ale też dlatego, że ten budynek ma właśnie takie miejsce jak ten taras, który tu pewnie widzicie w tle, i to jest chyba jedyne takie miejsce we Wrocławiu z tak niesamowitym widokiem.
Giving new life to spaces where people work, meet and generally spend the most of their time is our mission.
Shaping the future together reads the motto of Adventum, and in line with our ESG strategy, together with our Tetris, our general contractor, we transformed Centrum Orląt to a building which is more sustainable, energy efficient.
Assuring that those spaces are sustainable and user-friendly is always our priority.
To wszystko powoduje, że to biuro jest dla nas praktycznie jak drugi dom i lada moment będziemy dobierać kolejne powierzchnie, bo rośniemy i to jest miejsce, w którym chcemy być.
Now, as a last phase, we are focusing on the BREEAM in Use certification of the building, which we expect to have it in an excellent level.